Hick! Oh no! Dino, the little dragon, accidentally burned his sandwich again. He just couldn't control his fiery hiccups. Poor Dino kept hiccuping bursts of fire everywhere. He tried drinking water, hoping it would help, but it just boiled instantly. Then, Dino tried holding his breath, but his face turned purple from the effort. His wise mother smiled gently. "Just laugh it out, Dino," he giggled nervously, a little flame still flickering in his throat. Hick! But this time, instead of fire, a stream of rainbow bubbles floated out. Everyone gasped and then cheered at the colorful surprise. The bubbles shimmered and sparkled, filling the air with joy. But then, another hiccup escaped. Hick! Oh no! The Queen's fancy hat was suddenly ablaze again. Everyone laughed.